What's going on, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video. 67 Chevelle, absolutely gorgeous car. Really set up pretty close to as it was factory, if not all factory. Wanted to just show some close-ups because the fit and finish of the trim is just super clean. Same with the bumper. Bumper's super clean. Paint is as well. Look down the side, love to see the reflections in there. Love to see the nice trim work. No fading. No bubbles. No rust. Just a super, super clean car. Original air condition. Love how nice this car is on the inside too. Currently got Willie Nelson, Charlie Daniels Band, Waylon Jennings on the 8-track. It is working. Super clean on the interior. Carpet's in beautiful condition. Door sills, like original. See the quarters, got no rust, super clean. Move around to the back. This car originally came from Arizona. Originally sold in Mesa, Arizona, 1967. Someone explains why it's so clean. Arizona with no rain out there. While we're back here, we can take a look in the trunk. Trunk lid, amazing condition. Looks like original sticker there. Got soft rubber here. 2 briefcases. Have 8 tracks come with the car. Lots of parts catalogs. These are the original kick panels that do not have the molding or the holes for the speakers. Right now it has speakers. There's about 60-70 receipts in here. Hop on the website, you can see some of those. It's all in there. So there's other ownership information. There's original build sheet. Lots of original paperwork from the dealership there in Mesa, Arizona. So check the website out for that. Real clean on the body as well. This is a brand new stereo. Custom audio sound. In case you ever wanted to take the 8-track off. Well, the floor is super clean. Spare tire. Has the jack back there as well. All original. Beautiful body lines there. Doors don't sag at all. Backside, perfect condition. Windows all roll up and down like they should. Let's give it a little fire up here. Factory VIN tag. Kind of clean the door jambs are. These are the kick panel speakers I was talking about. Courtesy light working. Wood grain, original air conditioning. Motor runs perfect. Sitting there real still, no misfires, no nothing. Power steering pump down there. Anyway, y'all, there is pictures of the underside on the website if you want to check that out. We also have lots of other classics for sale. Let me know I can earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, y'all.